Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to tell you about the known Mendelian disorder, that is the mitochondrial disease. So in the mitochondrial disease, as the name suggests, mitochondria means in this mitochondrial DNA is present. So as we all know that the mitochondrial DNA has the maternal inheritance. Why there is maternal inheritance in mitochondrial DNA? Because the father's mitochondria is utilized by the sperm when the sperm travels from the vagina to the fallopian tube. So that's why there is no paternal mitochondria is present when the zygote is formed. So that's why whatever mitochondrial is present in the zygote, that is from the maternal side. So mitochondrial disease means in this there is maternal inheritance. So the disease, if there is any disease present, that it means that it is from the mother side. Means in this the disease travels from the mother to all, means disease spread from mother to the all child, whether it is a female or it is a boy, but not from the father, not from the father. So for this mitochondrial disease we must remember that the disease spread from mother to the all but not from father. So father to none, mother to all, and father to none. For this we have to remember this, father to none. So as we see in this pedigree analysis that this is a diseased female and this is a normal male. So when their cross linking is there, then in the first generation the disease spread to all, means female female uh, female and male, both the disease is going to spread, whether it is female child or a male child. And from the female also it spread to the both side, whether it is female or whether it is male. So, but from the father it does not, but from the father means um, uh, from the father it does not spread to any child. So for this we must remember that in the mitochondrial disease the disease spread from mother to all but not from the father. As we see here, the disease is not going to spread from this male partner to their children and from this male partner to their children. So disease is not going to spread from father but only from the mother side. And examples of mitochondrial inheritance were the MELAS, CPEO, NARP, and LHON. What does the MELAS stand for? So MELAS stand for M stands for mitochondrial, E stands for encephalopathy, so mitochondrial encephalopathy, LA stands for lactic acidosis, and S stands for stroke-like episode. So MELAS, mitochondrial encephalopathy, lactic acidosis, stroke-like episodes. While the CPO stands for chronic progressive external ophthalmoplegia, C for chronic, P for progressive, E for external, and O for ophthalmoplegia. MELAS, CPO, NARP, and LHON, these were the examples of mitochondrial inheritance. I hope you get benefit of this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.